Welcome to episode 6 of Clojure for Beginners. Your first script from REPL to project. Until now, everything lived in the REPL. Now we build a real project with deps.edn. By the end, you'll run it from the command line. Create the project and src directories. cd into the project root. Open deps.edn. Paths tells Clojure where source lives. Switch to core.clj with :E. First line is the namespace. hello.core maps to this file path. A helper, greet, returns a greeting string. The entry point, -main. &args captures command line input. We print a welcome message and call greet with world. When args checks, if arguments were passed, then loops through each one. clj-m-m hello.core. Welcome message. Our first print, ln. Hello world from the greet function. No arguments were passed, so the when block was skipped. 2 lines of output from a real project structure. Run again with Alice and Bob. Same welcome message, and hello world as before. Now arguments shows Alice and Bob as a list. doseq loops through each argument and greets them individually. Hello Alice, hello Bob. Each arg gets its own greeting. 5 lines total. The project handles both cases cleanly. Here's deps.edn, just 1 line for paths. core.clj, our complete app. Phase 1 is complete. Episode 6, done. Quick recap. Deps.edn configures your project. Paths points to source. -main is the entry point. Namespace maps to file path, dots to slashes. Phase 1 complete. Next up, collections. Thanks for watching episode 6. Phase 1 of Clojure for Beginners is done. Next up, Phase 2, collections and sequences, starting with vectors.